Hello. While loops execute a group of statements as long as the expression is true. A for loop is used for iterating over a sequence that is either a list, a tuple, a dictionary, a set, or a string. Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. List items are ordered, changeable, and allow duplicate values. You can access an item inside a list by typing the list name, then square brackets containing the index of the item you want to access. A tuple is like a list, but the items are unchangeable. So a tuple is ordered, unchangeable, and allow duplicate values. We can access it the same way as the list. A dictionary is like a list, but it doesn't allow duplicates. Dictionary items are ordered, changeable, and do not allow duplicates. We can access it by writing the dictionary name, then the key of the value we want to access, surrounded by square brackets. Sets are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Set items are unordered, unchangeable, and do not allow duplicate values. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.